Hello, I'm Sujata. Today I've come here to share a few points how to pass this lockdown period. As we all know that now the lockdown period is going on, and why it is going on, this also we are very much aware of it. So no need to discuss about all those things because we are very much aware of it. Now the main thing is that how to pass this lockdown period 24 hours sitting inside the house. How to pass this time. This is the main issue, main agenda. How to pass this 24 hours inside a house. We all are doing our paperwork from our home. We all do workout. We listen song. We read books. And after that, a big question mark. After that, what should we do? Nothing to do, because now we have learned all the lyrics of the song also. Now next, what to do? That is the main question now. Now when we are in a running position, while we go to school or office or wherever, we don't get time to analyze ourselves. At that time, we don't get time to know who we are, what are flaws, what are our demerits, what are the merits we have. We don't get time for self-realizations. And now this is the period which you can utilize by finding out the flaws, understand yourself, understand who you are, why I am over here. This is the main point. Now you can do self-realizations and you can emit your demerits from your life and become a better human being. Next point is that in our life, everything happens for a reason. That also we all know. But we get panic when anything happens. Sometimes we get deformed, we break up, we just break into pieces, totally broken. But at that point of time, we should always remember that everything happens for a reason, because God wants the best version of ourselves. So that is why this incident happened. So at that time we should not panic, because we should always keep it in our mind that whatever is happening, it is happening because God wants the best version of ourselves. Thirdly, we always want ease and comfort life. But life is not very easy. It is not at all easy going that whatever we want, it will happen. We live in a world of fantasy. We have so many wishes to fulfill, but can we fulfill all the wish we have? No, we cannot fulfill. And when our wishes are not fulfilled, and then we give up. Our life is hopeless. Then we start thinking our life is hopeless because our wishes are not fulfilled. But we should remember at that time that a life is a test and trial. Trial is never easy. Trial makes us stronger. It is the trial which makes us stronger. So we should always remember that our life is not an easy-going life. Once you conquer your trial, you will find everything will run in a smooth way. Next one is, some people think that it is not good to mix up with negative people. But why? I don't know. Why people avoid mixing with the negative people? Because they are negative, they talk negative things, and they think that it will come within themselves also and they will also become negative. Maybe because of that they also think that we should not mix with negative people. But the thing is not that. What I think, we should mix with negative people and you become the sponge. Like sponge, when you put sponge in the water, what happens? It soaks all the water and you squeeze it and the water falls down. Similarly, when you mix with the negative people, what will happen? You act like a sponge, you become sponge and you just squeeze all the negative things from that person and you squeeze that all those negative things outside and make that person a very positive person. And when you change a person, you will find immense peace and happiness within yourself, and that peace no one can give. It is within you. You have changed a person. That means you are such a wonderful person. You have done such a wonderful job that no one can do it. Lastly, many people say, why do I smile? There's a reason behind it. Why do I smile? When I'm smiling and you're watching this video, you're also smiling. I can understand from here, because it is also a contagious issue. When a person smiles, the other person will also automatically smile. So keep smiling, keep laughing, always be cheerful. Every day, when you get up from your sleep, stand in front of a mirror and you look at yourself and you appreciate yourself. What a wonderful eyes, what a long hair, what a figure, what a beautiful face. And you will find that your image will also repeat the same thing. And in this way, your whole day you will be happy throughout the day. Because when morning shows the day, there is a proverb, morning shows the day. When you start your day in a wonderful way, the whole day will go nicely. And the next important thing is that always try to love yourself, embrace yourself, spread happiness. When you love yourself, you can love others. Unless and until you love yourself, you don't like yourself, you cannot like other people. You cannot love other people. The first and foremost thing is that you have to love yourself. So, stay safe, be happy, be cheerful.